Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these cards are a guidance for your situation, guys. So I'll be picking three cards. One card for your general guidance, and one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship. So these are guidance for your situation, guys. So oracle's guidance. So if we follow that guidance, maybe we will see things going in a better way in our career and in our relationship, guys. So for this is the general guidance card, guys. We will open that card at last. For your career situation first, what is the card? No place like home. So these cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So with this card, for your career situation, whatever you are doing in your work, maybe you are working with someone, you have your own business, or you are working with for someone. So whatever it is, you have to be authentic. So whatever you think in your mind, in your heart of hearts, whatever you feel is right, you should be able to bring that in action. So when you do that, you will be comfortable in what you are doing. So in your career situation, maybe the business choices or whatever projects you are doing, when you do it in an authentic way, what desires that you have in your heart, based on that, you will be able to do it powerfully, on point. So it will bring that success. Or if you are doing it with your heart, you will be able to relate to whatever results that you are getting out of it, guys, maybe even failures. So you will see that that a divine hand in anything that is coming towards you, whether it is success or failure, when you are doing it with your heart and soul, with that liking or with that truth in your heart. So that is what this card is about. So you have to be authentic to yourself. That is the meaning of this card. When you are authentic in all your actions, in your work, you will see that you are comfortable in doing what you are doing right now, and you will feel that support and safety and comfort in whatever work you are doing, guys. That is what the guidance is about. So what is the card for your relationship? All that glitters, Gemini. So with this card here, guys, maybe in your relationship, you will have to see beyond that superficial layer of this person, or they may feel this way about you. So you may be attracted to their physical attributes, maybe way they look, speak, and how beautiful they are. But in truth, if you want to have that deep relationship, we have to go beyond all that dramatic things, whatever is attracting us, and see the truth hidden behind that sparkle and shine, whatever we see, guys. So we have to go for that essence of that person is, guys. Whatever that person is, that is the most important thing. You have to, when you relate to that, when you relate to that truth inside them, you will be able to see that that authentic shine of their heart. When you are able to connect to that, you will have that happiness in your life, guys. So that is what this card is about. So maybe sometimes you may, what you see underneath that sparkle and shine may not be something you like. So if it is that, you have to stay away, guys. That is what this oracle's guidance is about. So better things are waiting, so you have to think that way. If you are not happy with that person, the true essence of that person, or they may feel this way, your person, they may feel that you have to see beyond their physical beauty, their true heart, and relate to them that way. That is why this card is here, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see here. So let us see what is the card for your general guidance, Gemini. Go the distance. So this is a general guidance card, guys. So what you need to do today, maybe regarding your career situation or your relationship, may relate to both the situations, guys. So with this card, the energy is that you have to have that strength and courage to go that distance wherever you want to reach, guys. Carry you all the way till you reach that goals. So you have to have that one-pointed attention today, guys. Maybe we may have some experiences, we feel joy sometimes or some disappointments with that opportunities, whatever opportunities we are getting in life. So we fear sometimes, and we just stay put in that position. We don't know which way to go, and we are just scared to make that next move. So this card is about endurance and that fighting spirit. When you have that, you will reach your goals no matter what obstacles that you are facing right now. So you need to think of that and go towards that goals, whatever you need for yourself, guys. So even in our relationship, we see so many struggles, guys, so many obstacles, fights, quarrels, some misunderstandings happening in our relationship. So we need to have that dedication and endurance and work towards that unity in this relationship. Only when two people work together, you can make this relationship work. So you have to be able to listen to whatever your heart tells you. If you love that person so deeply, you can try to bring that harmony in this relationship, guys. That is what I see here. Or in your work situation, guys, whatever goals, whatever dreams that we have, we see sometimes our efforts and ideas are do not get that expected results. So we should not stop doing that efforts. We must go on and on, endure whatever comes our way, have that courage and strength to build that momentum to reach that goals, whatever we have, whatever accomplishments that we have in mind for ourselves. So we need to work towards that constantly. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.